Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about a year since I did a video last, and I'm sorry. Um, I know that nobody's really waiting for me to come back, but I do apologize because so many of you have still subscribed to my channel, and I really appreciate it. I also want to say I hope everybody's doing okay. You're staying well and safe during this difficult time. But today I'm going to be just doing a reveal and an unboxing of a couple of items that I received. So the first will be the reveal. I have a bag that I got before this whole situation started. And I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton that I received on Thursday. If this offends you, I completely understand. You don't have to watch. This isn't a way that I cope. It's just a distraction. My faith in God is how I cope with what's going on in the world. So, yeah, I just want to get that out there. So, my Instagram friends have seen this, but I thought I would go ahead and do a reveal. And this is an Hermes bag that I purchased. And this box is tiny. So, I'll go ahead and show you what I got. And if you know anything about Hermes, you know what this is already. So here is the strap. And then here is the bag. So yeah, this is the Hermès Evelyne TPM, size 16. And I got mine in the color Etoupe, and this is the Clemence leather, really soft. And this is, in my opinion, a unisex bag. I mean, it's a pouch. It was used for horses, so Hermes really, in my opinion, makes some of the most unisex bags. And then I have the strap, and this is in the color blue indigo. So yeah, there are a lot of bags for guys that are small like this as well, but I wanted an iconic brand, so I purchased this. Just because I just want a small bag that'll fit my essentials. So yeah, so that is the first reveal, and then the next is an item that I purchased from Louis Vuitton, and this is a true unboxing. I got this on Thursday, so I'll go ahead and show you what I got. This is from the Escale collection. I thought it was really cute, so. And the box is destroyed because I sanitized it. So, receipt, and this is what I got. I'll go ahead and show you. Ribbon, note card. Okay. I guess that's the information or care booklet. But I got the card holder in the Escale collection, and yeah, so this is the tie-dye print, red, pink, I think. I just thought it was really cute. I never really like Louis Vuitton limited edition collections. They're just not my thing. But I love the kabuki stickers. I bought a piece from that, but I sold it because it just didn't work out. But yeah, I love tie-dye. I have tons of sweatshirts in tie-dye. I just thought it was cute. Kind of different from the monogram, the brown, the monotonous brown. Perfect for summer. So there are 3 card slots, 1, 2, and then 1 on the back. So yeah. Let's see where this was made. If I can tell. Made in Spain. I don't know if you can see that, but made in Spain. So I thought it was pretty cute. Good for summer. All right, guys, hope you're doing well, staying safe. Let me know how you're doing, and I will see you in the next video.